Nagasaki Peace Park is located in the central part of Nagasaki City, near the hypocenter of the atomic bombing. The park is situated along the Motoyoshi River in the Urakami district. The centerpiece of the park is the 10-meter-tall iconic bronze sculpture known as Peace Statue, created by sculptor Seibou Kitamura in 1955, symbolizing peace and the wish for a nuclear-free world. The statue has its right hand pointing to the sky to represent the threat of nuclear weapons, and its left hand extended horizontally to symbolize peace, with eyes closed represent a prayer for the victims. Visiting Nagasaki Peace Park is a deeply moving and reflective experience. The park serves as a memorial to the victims of the atomic bombing on August 9, 1945, and promotes a message of peace and the abolition of nuclear weapons. The park is surrounded by trees and peaceful walkways, creating a reflective atmosphere for visitors. The Peace Park is open to the public with no admission fee, while the Nagasaki Atomic Bomb Museum charges a small admission fee of around 200 yen for adults. The park is beautifully landscaped, with lush greenery, walking paths, and open spaces. This pop-up stall serving the artistic chirin ice cream, which has been sold at tourist spots around Nagasaki City for over 50 years. The sorbet-like frozen ice cream is dished up by the ice cream lady for the price of 300 yen. Scattered throughout the park are numerous monuments donated by countries, organizations, and individuals from around the world. Each monument carries a message of peace and solidarity, such as the Children's Peace Monument and the International Peace Symbol Zone. This notable Fountain of Peace monument, built in 1969, dedicated to the victims who suffered from thirst after the bombing. Its shape resembles the wings of a dove, symbolizing peace. This hymn to life statue, donated by the city of Pistoia, Italy in 1987, which depicts a mother holding her baby high in the air with both hands, is an expression of love and peace. Nagasaki Peace Park is not just a tourist destination, but a place to reflect on the devastating consequences of war and the importance of peace. Visitors often leave origami cranes, flowers, or messages of peace at the monuments. The Nagasaki Peace Bell is a powerful and meaningful feature of Nagasaki Peace Park, offering visitors a chance to actively participate in the park's mission of promoting peace and remembrance, where visitors are invited to ring the bell by pulling a rope attached to the clapper. These are the ruins of a prison approximately 500 meters from the hypocenter that once stood on the hill, which were flattened to its brick foundations by the bomb explosion, remain as a reminder of the power of the blast. This hypocenter plaque provides information about the bombing and its impact of its surrounding areas. The wall remnant of Urakami Cathedral near the Nagasaki hypocenter is a haunting and powerful reminder of the devastation caused by the atomic bombing on August 9, 1945. This fragment of the original Urakami Cathedral stands as a solemn memorial to the tragedy and the resilience of Nagasaki's Christian community. This black stone monolith pillar marks the exact spot of the explosion in Nagasaki Atomic Bomb Hypocenter, where the atomic bomb, codenamed Fat Man, exploded at 11:02 a.m. on August 9, 1945. The Hypocenter is now part of the larger Hypocenter Park, also known as Ground Zero Park, a solemn memorial site dedicated to the victims of the bombing. The Hypocenter is a significant historical site, offering a somber reminder of the destructive power of nuclear weapons and the importance of peace. After the war, the damaged cathedral was rebuilt in a different location, about 500 meters away from the original site. The new Urakami Cathedral was completed in 1959, which marked as a symbol of resilience and faith, and remains an important religious and historical site in Nagasaki. The original Urakami Cathedral, also known as St. Mary's Cathedral, began its construction in 1895 and completed in 1925, which was flattened on August 9, 1945. The rebuilt Urakami Cathedral features a Romanesque-style design, with twin spires and a solemn interior. It serves as the seat of the Archdiocese of Nagasaki. The cathedral is open to visitors and remains an active place of worship. It is a place for reflection on the history of Christianity in Japan, the impact of the atomic bombing, and the resilience of the human spirit. These preserved ruins from the original cathedral include brick fragments and architectural remnants such as sections of walls and pillars. These fragments are displayed in a memorial area within the cathedral grounds, often accompanied by plaques or signs explaining their historical significance. The ruins are surrounded by a quiet, reflective space, allowing visitors to pause and contemplate the tragedy. This rebuilt Urakami Cathedral stands as a testament to the enduring faith of Nagasaki's Christian community, which has faced centuries of persecution and hardship. It also serves as a reminder of the devastation caused by the atomic bombing and the importance of peace.